G'day guys. Do you have a BOSCH 10P that seems to work for a while, but then it just goes out for no reason after you've used it, and then you've got to go out and relight it again? Here's a little test you can do to see if something's going on. Like this, I'll show you up here. This little thing up here is an over temp switch. Okay, so if the water gets too hot in this water jacket, it shuts the gas off and makes it safe. Okay, if you didn't have this, what would happen is that the water would just expand so much and just explode and pop the this water jacket here, right? Because it's just copper and it will just bang it out. Now, what you can do is just go inside, turn a tap on inside, okay? Make sure it's fully open, and then the tap underneath the hot water system, you should have it off, right? So what you do is you turn it on, okay? And you'll see the whole thing fire up nicely, okay? So the jets are all going. Now, what I'm going to do is shut this valve off, okay? Now that should shut the gas off. You know, within 3 seconds it should drop down. But check out what's happening to this one. Okay, so I'm turning off the tap. Tap's off. Look at that. You can hear it bubbling and nearly popping, and that's when it starts shutting it down because the gas isn't turning off for some reason. So it's really important to get your local plumber out to sort out, or give us a call and we can see what's going on and why that gas valve is getting stuck and leaving that gas open to really heat that water and then start turning into steam. That's something to look out for. It's a little test you can do, but good to stand back if it happens and just shut the off button straight away. Okay, cool. Okay, so I've just serviced it, fixed it. I'll show you now what it's meant to look like when you shut it down. Okay, so I've got the tap on inside, that's running flow. The water's flowing through the hot water system. The flames are working, you can see them all going nicely. So now I'm just going to shut that tap off outside to simulate it turning off inside, okay? And you watch how quick that it shuts itself down, right? So okay, tap's off. Bang, flame's gone. Back on again. Okay, it's flowing nicely. That's all good. Now I'm going to shutting it off right now. Shut it down. Bang, it's off. Okay, that's what it's meant to look like. If it's not doing that, give us a call before something bad happens with this jacket blows on you. Okay, thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you later. Hope it's been helpful.